Colonial Williamsburg.
We're excited about today.
Yeah.
Took us a
little over an hour.
From
where
our...
we're staying. Mm-hmm. Yeah, not bad.
Not too bad. We were greeted immediately by a lady, and she was like, "Let me tell you, or what do you want to know?" And we were like, "Whatever you want to tell us. We don't know."
We don't know what to ask.
Yeah, but she was just wonderful.
And
really
she whips out this piece of paper with all the events and things to see today. So she let us take a picture of it.
It was great. This is a really neat step back in time kind of place. So it's cool.
And the grounds are huge.
Immense.
Yeah, I mean, they're huge. The palace was great. That's really about all we've seen so far. So.
Yeah, we've walked around a little bit, but we stayed for the tour of the palace, and the grounds are just amazing.
Yeah, very very informative. I mean the.
Oh yeah, the staff is really good.
Yeah.
They know their stuff. So.
There are many more stories in this city that need to be told.
You do get a free garden tour. This is lovely.
Carriage coming right. All right, so it is right about noon.
Since George Washington was 7 years old.
So it's time for a snack. We stopped at the Raleigh Bake Shop within Colonial Williamsburg. Country ham biscuit, blueberry muffin, and 18th century water.
Welcome in, everybody. We are now in the general courtroom for the colony of Virginia. George II. That guy back here, that is George III. Really, in about the 1080s, some
We just spent the day at Colonial Williamsburg, and a full day, and it was there was a lot to see.
There's a lot to see, and it was pretty amazing.
It was well preserved. And what is, I guess some things are original, some have been recreated, but very well done. Several things were open, a lot weren't, but we still spent a whole day.
And the tulips.
Oh, the tulips were, amazing.
Yeah, the tulips were beautiful. It was a.
In fact, all the gardens, and there were a lot of gardens with the houses.
It was a lovely day.
But the tours, the tour guides, the information, I mean, they're very good, very informative, easy to sit down and listen to. It was a good historical day.
It was.